Hello, Clear Brow, North Dallas. 2025, I think it's 25, maybe a 26 they're calling it, but either way, the new Juniper, full PPF on this vehicle, full window film, and I'll go over the window film. I don't cover it a lot of times, but the window film, how we get this in so it looks the way it does with no issues, and how we cover, you know, like our edges, we keep them really tight. Okay, that's locked. Anyway, let's check out the install of the PPF first, and then I'll go over to the tint. So on our PPF, when I do the door handles, I wrap all these in all the way. So I don't leave a line like some people when they'll print a kit. I take these off, everything, there's no lines. This entire, all the doors, the rear fender, everything is fully wrapped in. When we get to this handle, again, fully wrapped in, meaning under the panel, under the trim, so we don't have the line. And on a white car especially, you'll see the dirt line later on. Back here is real simple. They changed the whole tail of this thing. Everything just wraps in nicely. Coming around over here to this door again, all fully wrapped in, all these pillars. This molding here comes off real simple. And we wrap all these edges, wrap all these edges. Everything gets wrapped in fully all the way down. All the way down, all the way down. Coming down, coming down. Everything looks fantastic. Hood, same thing, everything fully wrapped. Fender pieces, all the A-pillars fully wrapped. Coming around to our light area, all these edges are fully wrapped in. I don't leave any of these edges. So this thing, the Tesla products are pretty straightforward. It's not a problem getting these done. Now back to the window tint. We do the window film, you'll see that all these edges are super tight. We don't leave much to chance. Everything gets going tight, nice and clear. This was just tinted. You see our windshields. This is actually a 70%, but this was just installed about an hour ago. We don't have any debris in it. Everything's nice and tight. Everything looks good. This whole interior gets masked off, so everything's nice and clean. Everything looks fantastic. So we'll check out the outside. Here's a rear door, by the way, breaking away from that. The PPF all fully wrapped in. And coming around to that front windshield, see everything's nice and clean. And there it is. So there it is, 2025, I think they're calling the Juniper. Full PPF, full ceramic or tint. This is the XR Plus by Xpel, the Ultimate Plus paint protection film by Xpel. Any questions? clearbrownorthdallas.com. You can email us at clearbrownorthdallas@gmail.com. And if you need to get a hold of us, cell 940-703-8301 or landline 214-414-3809. Appreciate you guys watching. Take care. Have a great day.